How to add dictation language on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. Inside the General menu, scroll down and find the keyboard option, then tap on it. On the next screen, tap on Keyboards at the very top. Here, tap on Add New Keyboard to proceed. Use the search bar to find a language you like to add and tap on it. Now, change the settings to Add New Keyboard, select the language, and tap the checkmark to confirm. The new keyboard language has now been added. Go back to the main keyboard settings page and scroll down. Tap the toggle next to Enable Dictation and again tap on Enable Dictation to confirm the action. Next, tap on Dictation Languages to select which languages you want to use for voice input. Following these steps, you can easily add dictation language on an iPhone.